Hey Anthony, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a few things you could start doing to bring in more customers to your business. This is just a light SEO audit. I just provide a few tips and tricks you could start doing, like I said, to bring in more customers. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So first things first, as you can see, there's a huge issue, and that's going to be that no one can get to your website. I tried opening it multiple times. I went directly to the URL, and I did a lot of um, background work, and basically it just looks like there's no link from your website to your domain, or there's some sort of disconnect. So that would be my first thing I would fix. But I'm going to just go over a few other things once you do get the website back up and running on things that you could do to help get it ranking higher in Google and ultimately more customers. So first things first, what I did is I just typed in carpet cleaning Phoenix. That's roughly the area we're looking at here. And I can see that you are not on the top, right? Your number one competitor is actually this carpet cleaning Phoenix, Arizona right here. That's what their title is, but the company is actually Done Your Way. So we can see right here, this is their website, Done Your Way Carpeting. And just scrolling through, it's a nice website. They've got a decent amount of content. 1,500 words is actually what you want to have on a homepage, and that's just to kind of meet the Google algorithm. So they definitely do that. Have a good amount of content. They might have a little less than 1,500 words, so that's an area you could be beating them. But as you can see, they've put a lot of work into their website to make it look clean, crisp, and aesthetically pleasing. So the second thing I want to talk about is keywords. Now going back to this, we can see I typed in carpet cleaning Phoenix. Now that is considered one keyword, even though it's a phrase. A keyword is anything typed into the Google search bar and click search. And the reason these are so important is because keywords are what are ultimately going to get you found. So if we look at another tool that I use, it is called Ahrefs. We can see that I did yours, and I also did your competitors here. Now looking at yours, you're being found for 0 keywords in both paid and organic search. Now what that means, organic search is typed into the Google search bar, paid search means people are paying for those keywords. Now if we look at your competitor, they're paying for 0, but they're being indexed for over 4,000. And we can even look more deeply to see what those keywords that they're being found for are. Red wine from carpet, how to get a carpet stain out, red wine, red wine. Let's see if we can make it more specific. Oh, this is Australia, so let's go to the United States, where it's actually 4,000 as opposed to the 293 that we're populating. Here we go. How to get red wine on a carpet, carpet cleaner, Mesa, Arizona, carpet cleaning Tucson, Mesa, Arizona, carpet cleaning, Phoenix carpet cleaning Arizona. You can see many, many words. And what I want you to look at here is the volume, right? So carpet cleaner Mesa, Arizona, 500 search volume. Carpet cleaning Tucson, 1,000. Mesa, Arizona, 500. There's 2,000 right there. There's 1,000. And it adds up, right? 4,000 keywords. So just imagine what that amount of traffic could do for your business if you're getting those clicks. And if we go back to looking at their page specifically instead of just the keywords, we can actually see the amount of traffic that they're getting. Let me go back. Oh, went back too far. Here we go. They're generating over 8.8 thousand clicks a month. That is a lot. If they only converted 10% of that, that's what, 880 customers a month, which that would be really nice, right? So how do we get here? Well, what we need to do is we need to get you to the top of Google. And how do you do that? Backlinks. What backlinks are is it's a link from one website to another website. And when they do that, it transfers power, or link juice as we call it. And that's how you get this domain rating. Basically, to get to the top of Google, you need to have the best domain rating. And a domain rating is power generated from other websites. Now, not only do you need to have more backlinks, but you need to make sure they're quality backlinks, coming from relevant sites. So other carpet cleaners, maybe a blog about carpet cleaning or steaming, you wouldn't want it coming from Pizza Hut because that just doesn't make any sense. So you do have backlinks, but the reason that they might not be driving a domain rating are a couple of reasons. One, they could be no follow backlinks, which give you no power, or they could be from irrelevant sites, or even worse, they could be coming from spammy websites. A lot of people will probably message you as they message me as business owners trying to give you SEO. These are usually foreign people that are trying to sell their service is really cheap. And they will get you, let's say they say 200 backlinks, but those are going to be spammy backlinks from all over the world that are really not good, and Google has identified those, and so they'll actually bring your domain rating down. You can even kind of look at the backlinks that you're being found for. For example, this company, Nolajari Paradati Hardware, that isn't even English. Columbia. As you can see, these are the ones that you're currently being found for, but they're generating no domain rating. So that's what you would need to do, is focus on getting that to the top. So we talked about a couple things today. We talked about 1,500 word minimum on the homepage. We discussed the importance of keywords and how you want to be indexed for those keywords so you can be found and drive that traffic. Thirdly, we discussed getting you on the front page of Google. Google released their click rate statistics that over 80% of people don't scroll past the first page. So what are we going to do to get you there? Backlinks, backlinks, backlinks. So if you want to hear other ways and more in-depth plan for how to get your website to the front page of Google, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.